Hi guys, you are in channel Chokaway and we're back to do origami. So today we're going to make a paper ninja star. So for this you need 2 sheets of paper, A4, and then you just put one away and fold one like this. So in the corner, like this corner to this line. So that you see like a triangle here. Ow. So that you see a triangle here. And then you need to cut this paper out. So there's our triangle, like we cut it out. And then we open it up and fold it like this so that you see a rectangle here. Fold it in half. Then you open it up and then you fold it in half but on a line like this. And do the same thing on the other side. And then we fold it like this. It's easier actually because you have 2 here. And then we get this line and then we fold it in half. We open it up and this side needs to go up like this and the other side needs to go down. So you see this swirly thing. And then you turn around and then you fold them like this. So you see, so you see like a line and then it's going like this. And if you do it this way, you just see a line. So I do it like this. And the same to the other side. There. And then we fold it like this. So this side needs to be folded. And you cannot see this side. And the same to the other side. So one piece of paper done. The same thing to the other one. You need a copy, like the same one. And the other one, you fold this, and then the other one, this right half needs to go down, and this one needs to go up, and the opposite thing to this one. And turn around. There, you see as Z. Then you fold it. And then you have two halves of them. One needs to go up and one needs to go down, so like this. Then we put one of this one into this one, so inside here. There. Same thing to this one. Here. And you turn it around and you do the same thing. You can just open it. And there you have a ninja star. And you can put some decorations, like this is my other one. So guys, this video is now finishing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.